Hey, how you doing? I want to talk to you about this cool little thing that I just bought from Amazon to make filling up your sleeping pad way easier. If you want to know about it, stick around, stay tuned. I'll be back right after this. All right, this is the Flextail Gear Tiny Pump. I've used it a few times now. Wow, what a lifesaver. I got to give a shout out to Amanda Zito on As a Magpie Flies. She's the one that talked about this in one of her videos, and I instantly bought it. Not because of her sponsorship, because I just didn't know it existed, and I thought it was freaking awesome because blowing up my air mattress is one of the worst things about camping. Speaking of my air mattress, I'm using this, I don't know what brand, Amazon. It says Zoo Believes Airlive 2000 air sleeping pad with built-in pump, 74 by 24 by 4. It's been a good pad so far, except if you have to manually inflate it. It's kind of a nightmare. It does come with a built-in foot pump. It works. It just takes forever. For those of you that have been CPR qualified, you know when you practice on the, show my age here, over Sussa Annie, how long it takes. This is way worse. All right, right here's the built-in foot pump. I know this is more of a review video for that than this, but anyway, now that I just dropped the cap, you pull out this cool little plastic sleeve in here that I can't seem to pull out because I'm on camera. Anyway, it inflates. Then you can inflate it this way, or you can use a foot, which is what they recommend. Or, let me get that cap. Okay. Where was I? Or, as my friends will attest, I can use plenty of hot air and fill it up with the valve. You have a two-way valve, you have the empty valve here, and then you have the fill valve here. That way air goes in, but it doesn't come out. To turn this little thing on, there we go. Usually takes 2 presses. I don't know if it's supposed to act like that or not, but there we go. I'll fast forward it and cue the music. I'll let you know how long it took. All right, according to my GoPro timer, it took about 2.5 minutes. That's probably slightly harder than what I want it to be, so I'll probably have to deflate it a little bit, but there you go. Sorry, pollen in the air, nose itching, but how long will this last? I don't know for certain, but this is the second time it inflated this because I used this on my West Virginia trip a while back, but I only inflated it once because I stayed 3 nights, and I just inflated a different air mattress that I'm actually testing for another review video. Anyway, so that's at least 3 uses on one charge. It is rechargeable here. I don't know my USB ports. I'm assuming that's a C, but don't quote me on it. It comes with a cable. So anyway, pretty cool little unit. Hope you got something out of this. If you would, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below. Mash the bell icon if you haven't. And hey, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.